Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, let me introduce myself. My name is Lydia Nurjana from 6th semester and I'm from 6D class of English Education Department of Winsus Karyau. So, today I will explain the conclusion about our material last meeting. And then the material our last meeting is about the effect of using media on student motivation toward learning English. As we know, technological advances are growing rapidly. So, many new things are emerging, including media that can be used to teach and learn in the learning process. Studies show that new media usage in English language learning motivation learners immensely, transforms dependent and passive learners into active and autonomous learners, make them participatory, engaging and enthusiastic in learning, and works as a supplement to the classroom teaching. There are many advantages of media, and it is about the facilities learning for students who have different learning style, including the slow learners, the socially disadvantaged, mentally such as physical disabilities, talent, and also those who live in remote areas or rural areas, then to make learning more effective and flexible. And besides, there are many disadvantages of media. The first is about it contributes to individualism, and then as a consequence, it is affected by social interaction with friends, relatives, and neighbors. Some content in the media is not appropriate for children. It can be taught to restrict children's access to certain stuff, and then papers are geographically limited. Well, earlier we talked about the media, and then now let's move on to ICT. Media ICT. What is this media ICT? Okay, media ICT is the use of computer-based information system and communication system to process, transmit, and store data and information. ICT are the computing and communications facilities and features that variously supporting teaching, learning, and a range of effective activities in education. Main advantage of ICT. The first is about facilitating learning for students who have different learning style and abilities, including slow learners, the socially disadvantaged, the mentally and physical handicapped, the talent, and those living in remote rural areas, making learner more effective, involving more sense in a multimedia context and more connection in a hypermedia context, and providing a broader international content for approaching problems as well as being more sensitive response to local needs. Nowadays, more and more language classrooms make use of ICT media. Invention continue to many programs have been designed to enhance the language teaching and learning process by using classroom-based software such as called Google Classroom for English learning that is available. In the world of web, there are hundreds of websites in English that offer facilities and a variety of activities in the teaching and learning process of this widely used foreign language. Attitude is tendency that's not want to do or to do something. It is about likes and dislike. Attitude, perceived natural attitude. And then motivation is an impulsor motion that to do something. If the drive is strong, the motivation is high. But when the drive is calm, that someone's motivation is low, it doesn't mean. So, I think this is the conclusion from me. I apologize for my mistake. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.